Hi, this is your pharmacist from MedRx, and I created a prescription medication management journal and a refill tracker. Okay, let's start at the top. Here you can enter the start date. Then on the right side, it automatically creates a full 30-day medication schedule across the table. Let's go over on the table. The medications are organized by morning, afternoon, and night, and everything is entered using drop downs. Just simple as that. For medication name, form, dose, frequency, and time. An example here is frequency drop downs. It has an options for once daily, BID, TID, every 6 hours or every 8 hours and more, making it more practical for complex regimens, not just as simple routines. For the next part here, if you're adding a new medication, you don't need to break anything or change formulas. You just simply go to the third tab, add the medication once, and it automatically becomes available in the drop downs across planner. Next is on the right side, you will see a rows of checkboxes. Each dose has checkbox, and as you mark doses taken, the table will count how many doses you have completed. No manual tracking for you. Okay, on the far left, there is also a final status checkboxes. Okay, if a medication is completed or discontinued, checking that box automatically gray outs the entire row, making it visually clear that the medication is no longer active. This is especially useful for short-term prescriptions, taper, or medications that change over time. I included a refill tracker on the second tab. You just need to enter the quantity purchased and dosing frequency. And the table again automatically calculates the end date. It flags if low stock or no stock, and it helps prevent missed doses due to refill delays. This is especially again useful for patient managing multiple medications or a frequent dose changes. This system is designed to make your prescription management easier, whether you are tracking maintenance medications, short-term treatments, or combination of both. Okay, so if you want to download it, there's a link provided below, and as always, any medication or treatment changes should be discussed with your licensed healthcare professional.